So using Outpost to connect to a personal mailbox by line of sight or by within earshot is real easy to set up. Connecting to your buddy's mailbox that's multi-hops away, in other words, maybe more than 2 nodes away or more than 1 node away, it's a little bit more complicated to set up, but once you understand what's happening in the background, it's really easy to set up. So as an example, I want to connect to my friend Dennis and just send him a message. So I have to connect to the Tuscarora node called TUSC. Then I have to issue a connect to MRN, and then I can connect to his mailbox, send him mail, check for mail, and then disconnect. So in Outpost, what we have to do is tell it what it's looking for. So when I do issue a connect, this is what I actually see. I'm going to get the connected message, and then you see these 3 pounds and a connected. So I'm going to search on that. So just remember that. So after I connect to Tusk, I'm going to issue another connect to MRN, and it's going to give me a link made and then a connected message. That's really key. And then I'm going to issue a connect to KA3BVJ-1. And that's what I'm going to see. Well, in Outpost, this is what it's going to look like. We're going to have 2 records, one that connects to the TUSC node. We're going to get the connected message, connect to MRN, and then on the second record, we're going to connect to Dennis's mailbox. So it's actually quite simple to set up. So I'll step you through it. I'm going to issue a new BBS. I'm going to get my TNC. And because I have 15 or more COM ports, it takes a while to get the list, but there we go. So there's my TNC. That's fine. So now I've got my TNC, and then I can go down to the path. And this is where we click on KA node. And unfortunately, you still have to hit the new button in order to get 1 of 1. So we're going to, remember, it's going to be Tusk. We're going to get that successful connected message. And then we're going to issue MRN, connect to MRN, as soon as we get that connected message. It's going to be on port 0. And then I'm going to hit new because after I get connected to MRN, I want to connect to KA3BVJ-1. And it's going to be pound connected. And I'm going to connect to K3BVJ-1. And that should be it. So I'm going to hit apply. Just to go through it again, I'm going to get connected to Tusk by default. It's going to issue that connect command. I'm going to search on connected, and then immediately going to issue the connect command to the MRN node. And it's going to search on connected, and once I'm connected, I'm going to connect to KA3BVJ-1. So let's see what happens. Connected to Tusk, and it issued the connect command to MRN. Got the connected, and it issued a connect to KA3BVJ. Now, if his mailbox isn't busy, we'll end up getting into his mailbox. Move that out of the way. We got a link made. It's listing in my mail. And it's issuing a buy. So that worked. and we're done. So that's how you do two. Remember, we're doing connecting to two different nodes before we get to Dennis. First one is the first node that you're going to connect to. You don't no reason to issue a C space tusk. We search on connected. As soon as we get connected, we connect to MRN. All right, and that's how you do it.